We are taking the derivative of this function here, and that's what the d over dx signifies. And we're kind of demonstrating here the quotient rule. And this is what I come up with after doing some factoring and some simplifying. You should try to pause this and see if you can come up with this right here. Alright, so this is what I do. I take the 3, bring it out front, rewrite everything in parentheses, subtract 1 from the exponent, and then I'm going to take the derivative of what's in parentheses here and chain it out. And that means we're going to have to use the quotient rule. And so what we've got here is we're going to take the derivative of the 4x minus 1. So the derivative of 4x squared is 8x. Of course, the derivative of the minus 1 part here is 0. And then we rewrite the denominator minus the numerator, right, the 4x squared minus 1, times the derivative of the denominator. And the derivative of 2x plus 10 is just 2. And hopefully you know why. Now, you take the denominator, remember, and square it. So we have now taken the derivative of this, and the idea is now to try to simplify this as much as we can. That's what we spend most of our time on in calculus, is simplifying, it seems like. But this is what we're going to do. I'm going to, looks like maybe I'm going to multiply this 8x across, distribute the negative, multiply the 2 across here. I don't know, let's look. Yes, that's what's going on. 8x times 2x is 16x squared. 8x times 10 is 80x. Then I distribute the minus across and then the 2. I kind of do that at the same time. So anyway, 2 times 4x squared is 8x squared. Remember to distribute the minus. And of course, distributing a minus, and we got a minus here. It's going to make that a plus. And multiply the 2 inside, so that becomes a 2 here. Do we have any like terms? Looks like it. We've got a 16x squared, a minus 8x squared. Let me scroll down. Okay. 16x squared minus 8x squared, that's just going to give us an 8x squared. And then plus 80x, and nothing else we can do there. Rewrite the 2. And it looks like I factored out a 2 out of this, and I factored it out. I kind of skipped a step here. It's kind of hard to see, but I factored the 2 out. But remember, this is squared right here, and so that's the reason this becomes 4. All right, and I factored a 2 out up here in the numerator. Okay, looks good. And of course, 2 goes into 4. 2 times, so we can reduce that down. And looks like that's what I do here. What else is going on? No, I guess that's all I did on that. Okay, I took this 2, I brought it out here to the front. That's the reason this 2 times 4 becomes 8. So we're getting closer. We have an 8 and we have an x plus 5, and because this whole thing here is squared, this is like saying 4x squared minus 1 quantity squared, and then x plus 5 quantity squared. And since there would be 2 of these and 2 over here, we can join those together. We add exponents, and that becomes to the 4th power. And it looks like I just go ahead and stop right there. So just a whole bunch of algebra. And it matches what I've got up here, so we're good to go.